Correct me if I'm wrong, if my memory serves me right, you also did a recent value proposition with a construction company, and you won that, and you took it away from a company called UiPath. Would you like to elaborate on that, if you don't mind, Muka, as well? Thanks.
Yeah. So I think 1.5 years ago, we helped one of our customers. This is like, it's called BI Group. They're the largest construction company in Central Asia. So we helped them to migrate from UiPath to Python RPA. And it was like a very, I don't know, successful project for BI Group because they managed to optimize to lower the license cost by 70%. And
Wow,
therefore, return on investment was like just in the 3 months, the 100% ROI. Yeah.
amazing,
Yeah. And
amazing.
then there are other many cases where we help customers to either build internal center of excellence, or we help them to scale the RPA within the organization. Like, for instance, our customer from Brazil, company called Silimed. This is like the largest silicone implants producer in Latin America. uh, they managed like to use our platform for scaling their Python automation. They, when they came to us, they like had, I think, 40 or 50 business processes being automated by the use of the Python, but they were lack of this management tool, the orchestrator that enables the scaling and security of the spots. So we provided our platform for them, and now they scaling their automation, Python automation within the organization.
Fantastic. And just out of curiosity, again, for the benefit of the audience, was it attended bot or unattended bot, Muka, for that project?
Uh, it's unattended bots.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Okay, excellent. Okay, I think we're actually halfway through now, so we've come to a point in the webinar where we have time actually to do a poll. The poll will come through. It'll either pop up on your screen or in the chat box. For a majority of you, it'll probably be in the chat box. So the question is anonymous. It is anonymous, by the way. And that question will be, are some of you currently using RPA machine learning solutions today within your company? And it's simply a yes, no, don't know, or keen to chat further. So let me open up the poll. And that should now go into your inbox on the chat or Q&A. Replies are still coming in. Okay, so we have yes, 0. We have no, 50%. We have don't know, 0, and keen to discuss further, 50%. Okay, fantastic. All right, so that will close off on the poll, and we will move on. We are conscious of time. It is a lunch break for everybody around the region. So, okay, good stuff, Muka. We see now that you would like to discuss some of the bots in question for the platforms that are being used, and you want to touch on the RPA programming and how easily this can be achieved. So I think these slides will be done between yourself and Berik, but back over to you, Muka. Feel free to talk about these 2 slides, and then when you're comfortable and finished, feel free to introduce Berik. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks, Mike. So, uh, as I said at the beginning, so we combine this Python code-based approach and low-code studio. So basically, uh, like developers can create a Python script in any framework. Let's say it's PyCharm, and then by adding like one single line of code, our library agent in it, they can actually connect this Python project to our agent and to our orchestrator. It's just a matter, like, I think, of 30 seconds to connect to your Python script. In the same time, you can use our low-code studio that has more than 250 predefined no-code activities, and you can drag and drop these activities in order to create your automation workflow or automate your workflow, right? So, and the second part, like the second part, the third part of our component, it's a orchestrator. The orchestrator like enables the bot management. You can monitor your bots in real time. You can schedule them in a automatic fashion. Uh, you can have bot queues. You can have the security and all these things that are necessary for enterprise type of automations. And I'm going to shift the word to Berik. Berik is our CTO and Chief Operating Officer. So he will be going through the platform in a like do some brief overview of how the platform looks like. Yeah, Berik, the floor is yours.